Hi guys, my name is Chocoblub and I make art videos. And welcome back to my channel. On my Chibi tutorial video, I received a lot of questions about what type of brushes do I use, so I'm making this video to show you guys. Welcome to Digital Art by Dummies Part 2. Without wasting any time, let's jump into my tablet screen. Here are my canvas settings. If you're interested, you can just pause and see or even take a screenshot of it. Now let's get into the drawing. I will start off by telling you a few icons that is on your left when you open the canvas and how do I use it. So let me draw something on the screen real quick for you guys. On the top, we have the transform tool where you can move around your art in the different part of the canvas like this. You can also drag and adjust the shape or the sketch that you have done. Next, we have magic tool. This is also a selection tool. I don't use it that much yet, but I'm still learning how to do it. Next on the line we have a lasso tool. This is also a selection tool where you can specify a few part of your sketch and adjust it. While I show you guys the speed paint of this portrait of my OC Itsuki, I will let you know guys what time I'm using which brushes. So starting off with the sketch, I use the pencil graphite brush as mentioned on the side. Sketching usually requires a lot of time and a trial error method, so I skipped a few portions so you guys don't get bored. I'm using the same pencil brush for the entire sketching process. For the line art, I use this pen, Dip Pen Hard. There are a few tips and tricks that I like to follow while I do the line work, so I will make a separate video about it which will be coming soon. Some artists like to keep their work a little bit of unfinished without the line work, and that is totally amazing and a different type of aesthetic. But for my work, I prefer to have a line art. So this is totally up to you. If you want to, you can just skip this part as well. So Itsuki is a badass, arrogant type of character that I made. I hope that is visible through his expression in this portrait. This was my first finalized portrait of him, so hopefully he will evolve a lot in the future. For coloring, I use this felt tip pen soft. I use this color for every block coloring, and for shading I use pen fade. When I need to use the color gradient, I use airbrush tool as well. Notice how I'm using 5 to 6 same brushes over and over again in different places. This is just to make your life easier, sis. Here I changed the color of the line art as well. This is a preference. I never used to do that before, but these days I'm really into it. Now starting off with the coloring hair, I also again use the same felt tip pen soft for block coloring his hair. For adding details and highlighting the hair, we have couple of options that is mentioned on the screen right now. You can choose any one of it, and it usually depends on my mood or what type of vibe I'm going with the character. Now adding a really hard snake tattoo because I cannot draw animals for sake. I already mentioned you the brushes, so there is nothing for me left to explain. So you can enjoy the speed paint process from now on. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.